Why Asians don't get kidnapped?
We have your son. Wire $20,000 to this account or else.
Can I have a discount? If you have an above average kid, okay, I pay for price. But listen, Steven got as much talent as a salary.
What the sh?
I'm literally threatening. How about I see Steven on the weekends, he go back to you for the weekdays.
Why would I want him back?
You have to pay for piano lesson, math tutor, daily Starbucks.
Daily Starbucks?
Also soccer gear, and he does karate on the Wednesdays, so that's about $600 a week. Don't forget, you have to drive him to all the places, so that's about 20 hours extra driving for a week. Fine, 10,000, that's it. Why don't you take him for the weekend too? Weekend only 5 more activities.
Wait, I'll give you 70% off. You can even pay in installments.
I think I'm good.
Hold up, please, wait. You can have him back free of charge. Please, free of charge.
You mean you want me to take him back?
Yes.
Okay, that's another $20,000.